So, ma'am, have you seen any changes in the pattern of the questions this year?
Yes, definitely. The modern Indian history section, which was a very neglected section in the last 3-4 years, has come back with a bang. So, with respect to modern Indian history, the section has been given due credit. As far as other sections are concerned, art and culture has seen a decline. So obviously the students have felt so good after seeing the paper ki now they no more have to see or solve questions with respect to Buddhism and Jainism. So yes, definitely art and culture saw a decline and modern Indian history weightage has increased. With respect to ancient and medieval, they have more or less, remained the same.
One piece of advice for the students who are preparing for the UPSC prelims 2026.
So for the prelims 2026 exam, the students can focus on their fundamental static subjects. They should not worry about any kind of pattern change, right? Because that would be a very wrong thing to look up to. Because as you all know that UPSC has the tendency to change the pattern frequently, and if not frequently, in 2 or 3 years. So, they should stick to their fundamental sources. They should not diversify too many sources because history is a static subject. But yes, definitely, what an enhancement tip which I would like to give to the students who are preparing for 2026 exam would be that please align your newspaper reading with history section because this year also we have seen questions which have been aligned with the news. So don't consider history as purely static portion. We can definitely align it with current affairs.
Thank you.
Welcome.